Hi, this is Mr. Reese, and we'll take a look at the corrections for the recent ELA 8 grammar quiz. So if we blow this up here and get ourselves to the first question, which of the following is a run-on sentence? And the correct answer here was C. The reason why it was C is because if you look at it, it's actually two sentences in one. The Cyclops is savage, he eats human flesh. You need to have either a period here or a colon in order for that to qualify as a sentence. Everyone else, every other option does have the correct punctuation. Odysseus is a hero, comma, and he is known for defeating the Cyclops. Odysseus is a hero, colon, he is known for defeating the Cyclops. And then choice D, the Cyclops has a savage nature, comma, yet he isn't so clever. So all the other options either use a comma and a coordinating conjunction, or they use the semicolon. Next one, the correct way to fix the run-on sentence. Malala's award was unique. She was the youngest recipient to win the Nobel Peace Prize. The correct answer here would be A. Notice again the use of the semicolon to connect two independent clauses. Moving on to number 3, which of the following sentences is correct? And the correct answer here is C. Some of you had circled this one, the comma here, but might feature the archetype of the wise old man. That completes the sentence. 4, all the following are effective ways to correct run-on sentences except the correct choice would be D, which does not help you correct run-on sentences. A lot of students make the mistake of just adding commas at random. Each of these other choices do help, right? You have to place a period between independent clauses and capitalize the new starting letter. Place a comma and coordinating conjunction between the independent clauses. And C, use the semicolon between the independent clauses to connect the related ideas. 5, which of the following is a complete sentence? And the correct choice here, oops, my mistake, backing that up, it would be B. Bruce Wayne owns a lot of money. That's a complete sentence. Okay, on to this. 6, for centuries the stereotypical heroes have been male, strong, and daring. This on its own is a correct sentence. There's nothing grammatically incorrect about this. Some of you added a comma here, which was not necessary. On to the next sentence. Within the past several decades, more female heroes have been featured in text and film. Well, there's a couple of problems here. Number 1, we need to get rid of this unnecessary apostrophe, and then here we have to make the F lowercase. So what we would do is delete that and make this female, right? Especially in animated movies, right? So here what we would need to do is comma and then E. Especially animated movies is attached to this previous sentence. Here, the computer as it is telling you there's a mistake. What we need to do is add an apostrophe. So that would be complete. And lastly, Mulan, as it's the name of a film, we said that films, novels, lengthier works, they need to get underlined. So we would want to underline that as well. So just to recap, you had the S apostrophe, which was changed just to an S in decades. You had the lowercase f, female. You had the comma and the E added here. And then you had the apostrophe added to show possession, the film that belongs to Disney. That's where we add an apostrophe. And then lastly, we underline Mulan. Hope that helped. Be sure to ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.